is the 17th part of number theory. Today I am going to start a new topic in number theory, that is GIF, greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Yeah, greatest integer function. Okay. So clearly given here, greatest integer function or step function or bracket function. That function has several names. Greatest integer function or step function or bracket function. Simply always I will write as GIF. Function, what is the meaning of function? What is the definition of function in mathematics? Just the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable is called a function. Or in other words, I can say that a dependent variable is called function with respect to independent variable. That is the definition of function in mathematics. For example, y is related with the condition x plus 1. What is the meaning of that? Y and x are related in this manner. Here y is subject clearly. Y equal x plus 1. Here y is subject. Now what I can say? The value of y is depend upon the value of x. X varies, y will vary. If x is equal to 1, then I can say y equal to 2. X is equal to 2, then I can say y equal to 3. X is equal to 0, y equal to 1. What is the meaning of that? Here y is subject and the y values depend upon x value. Here x is called independent variable, independent. And this is called dependent variable. Y is called dependent variable, x is called independent variable. Okay. In general, in mathematics, dependent variable is called function with respect to independent variable. So in this equation, y equal x plus 1, y is called function with respect to x. Y is called function with respect to x. Again, I will write down here, y is equal x plus 1. Here y is called function with respect to x because y is dependent and x is independent, because y is made a subject here. So what I can say, y is said to be a function. A function means its value will vary according to x. That's the meaning. Okay, it is functional with respect to x. Okay, so y is said to be a function. Okay, with respect to x. WRT dot t with respect to x. Okay, general short notation f of y can be written as f of x. What is the meaning of this? I can say that y is a function with respect to x, just like the meaning. The meaning, notation, y equal f of x. Means y is a function with respect to x. So instead of this y, I can write this f of x now. What I can say, f of x equal to x plus 1. So here f stands for function and f of x means functional value at x. That also I will write. Yeah. So y is equal to x plus 1. After that, what I wrote, f of x equal to x plus 1. Here, f is function. And f of x is functional value of f at x. Is functional value of f at x. That's all. Sometimes f of x equal to some 2x plus 1 given. What is f of 1 means? Instead of x you want to write 1. In this function, if x is taken as 1, what is its value? Functional value at x equal to 1. That is 3, obviously, like that. So more detailed discussion about functions we'll discuss in function chapter 9. Just what I explained here, dependent variable is called functions with respect to independent variable. That is one thing. Okay. So what I explained, that is about a function. Okay. Types of functions, the graphs, and everything we'll discuss in the chapter, function chapter, separate chapter. Okay. Greatest integer function. Here one function is given, that is said to be greatest integer function. So overall meaning I want to explain first of all. Okay. So for example, this is a real number line. The real number line. So all real numbers are taken. So these all real numbers are there, but integers are only appearing, but all real numbers are there. 1.1 means somewhere here 1.1. Where is root 2 means I can say somewhere root 2. You know how to identify root 2 on the number line. That is the easiest process. You know that. So this is called real number. Actually, x is any real number. X is a real number. X is real number. Its position I can't say. Somewhere on this line, but I can't say where is that. If x is taken as 1, I can say here only x. If x is taken as 1.5, I can say here only x. Sorry, 1.5 here. Here only x. Like that. If x is taken as root 2, where is that? I can locate. We have the method. By using compass, you can identify root 2 on the number line. That is not big problem. So every real number line you can identify on this line. Okay, that is one thing. No, that's what I am saying. X is a real number line. X is any real number. The greatest integer denoted by this symbol. Greatest integer of x denoted by this x symbol. Box x or bracket x. You can read like that. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? I will explain. Step x. You can read as step x. Step x. You can read it as step x. X is any real number. Then step x denoted by this symbol. And what is the meaning of this? I will explain now. Step x means. So through example, I will explain. If x is taken as 2.3, what is step x means? What is step 2.3? That I want to explain. Okay. Or if x is taken as 3, what is step x? What means what is step 3? I want to explain now. I will explain now. Okay. So if x is taken as 2.3, where is the 2.3? Somewhere here 2.3. So if x is taken as 2.3, below 2.3 we have infinitely many integers. What are they? 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus. Listen student. I took x as a real number. After what I am saying, identify the integers lesser than the real. Integers I am saying, not real number. Identify the integers which are lesser than the real number. What are they? 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, infinitely many. Among all, which is greatest? This only the greatest. No? This is the real number 2.3. So all the integers should be identified below that real number 2.3. What is our observation? 2, 1, 0, all are integers lesser than that only. But I am asking, which one is greatest? We should say 2. That is called step of x none. So step of 2.3 means I can say 2. Step of x means a greatest integer which is lesser than or equal to x on the number line. X is any real number. Step x means greatest integer which is lesser than or equal to x on the number line. Sometimes they will ask, what is the step of 3.4167, for example? Where is the 3.416 number? Somewhere here. So now what should do, Nana? We want to identify all the integers lesser than that. Among the greatest is taken as step of 3.14167. So what happens? All the integers is 3, 2, 1, all. Among that 3 is greatest. Then I can say that value is equal to 3. Such a way that mathematics are defined on a step function. Somebody will confuse, sir, what is step 3.41? Again 3 only. Step 3.4167 3 only. Step 3.41 3 only. No problem. These two are not same, but their steps are same. Actually 3.4167 is different from 3.41, but the step values are same. Understood? But somebody will ask, what is step 4? I can say step 4 also 3 only. Okay, step 4 means somewhere near only. All the integers lesser than that 3.4 are 3, 2, 1, 0, so on. Among the greatest one is 3 only. That's why I can say step 3.43 only. One important note, student. What is step 3? Again I will say 3 only. Why? Because step 3 means here, 3 means here on real number 3. What is my definition? What is step x? Step x means all the integers which are lesser than or like sometimes x may be integer. That's why I am saying all the integers lesser than or like should be identified. Among the greatest one is called step of x. X may be integer also. What happened? X equal to 3. So step 3, identify all integers lesser than or equal to 3 now. Lesser than or equal to 3. That's what lesser than or equal to x I told clearly. So that is step 3 equal to 3 only. Okay. Finally, what is my conclusion? Step 3.4167 is 3 only. Step 3.413 only. Step 3.43 only. Step 3 also 3 only. Listen, final conclusion. Doubts later, just listen the class. Yeah. X is any real number. Any real number, it may be integer also, no? X is any real number. Step X means question mark. How mathematics are defined? For any real number X, we need to identify the integers which are lesser than or equal to X on the number line. Among that, greatest one is called step X. Okay, that is the definition. Later I will write Nana notes. Just I want to explain roughly. Step 2.13. Directly we should say 2 Nana. Step 4.17. What should say? 4 only. Step 5 means should say 5 only. Step 5 should say 3 only, because 5 value is 3 point something. That should. Step 5 means you should say 3 only. Important note. Some students will confuse. I will ask, what is step of minus 2.13? Now listen, where is this minus 2.13? Should identify first of all. So I want to extend number line. Where is the 2 point? Somewhere here, no? Here only, minus 2 point. What definition is saying that? Identify the integers lesser than that real number. Minus 3, minus 4, so on. Among the greatest one is what? Minus 3 only. That's why this is minus 3. Don't confuse. For positive numbers, okay. Step 2.3 means 2 only. Correct. Step 2.13 means 2 only. Correct. Step 2 means 2 only. Correct. But step minus 2.13. Where is that? We need to identify here only. Here only. Minus 2.13 on the number line. Okay. That's why what I can say, minus 2.13 means minus 3. Step of minus 1.56, somebody will ask. What would say? Minus 2. Where is the minus 1 something here? That's why minus 2. Don't confuse. Okay, Nana. Now I'm finalizing. Please observe, Nana. Yeah. Somebody will ask, what is step minus 4.13? What is your answer? Should be minus 5. Okay. Identify now. What is step 4.13? 4 only. Identify difference here. Identify difference here. Okay. Sometimes I will ask, what is step minus 2? Step of minus 2. You say minus 2 only. Minus 2 here only, no? Here only. The definition is saying that X is any real number. It may be integer. So we want to identify all the integers which are lesser than or equal to X. Among the greatest one is taken as the greatest integer of X. That's why step minus of 2, minus 2 only. Yeah, listen. For any real, there exists an integer n such that n lesser than or equal to x less than n plus 1. Okay. Such n is called greatest integer of X. And it is denoted by this, and it is read as step x. Why the game name given step later I will explain. Step x or get integers of x, whatever. So next line I will write that is n equal to step x. So clearly I explained here. N is integer nana here. Sorry, okay, correct. What I wrote correct. You can write in several manner. This is one of the way. X is any real number. There is an integer. So your x should be like n and n plus 1. If this is 3 nana, it's 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Yeah, now example 1, step 4.1 equal to 4. Example 2, step 7.134, simply you can say 7. Number 3, step 0.146, 0 only, obviously. Fourth one, step 7 equal to 7 only. Example 5, step 5 equal to 3. Okay, now 6 I will write here. Example 6, step minus 4.1 equal to minus 5. Don't confuse, just now explain. 7, step minus 8 equal to minus 8 only. 8, step 0 equal to 0. Observe nana. So here important observation, box x, output is, what is the output? Integer only, observe integer only, always integer only. See, 4, 7, 0, some integers only. Outputs are integers, inputs are any real number. Instead of x, anything you can take, any 1 by root 2 also you can take, root 2, anything I can take. Instead of x, anything I can take. That input, this is called output. For any function, input is called domain and output is called range. For greatest integer function, input is any real number, output is integers only. Observe nana. Step x is integer only, no? Yes, step x is integer. Input is called domain, output is called range. We will discuss clearly what is the meaning of domain and range later. Okay, but I will write here. Yeah. So what I am saying that here, y is equal to f of step x only. The meaning of that, f of x equals step x only. Function only, no? What I can say is this function only, no? The value of this is dependent on x only. X varying, box x is varying, no? That's why what I can say, one of the output is say y. Y equals step x is what the meaning of that? Step x is function only, no? So input, that is called domain, equal to all real numbers. Domain of step function is all real numbers. Anything you can take instead of x. Output, that is called range. Sorry? Only integers. Okay. This is the concept of GIF, greatest integer function. Okay. So here definition is given. Already I wrote here, no need to write again. So several ways you can give the definition. Here some thing is given, Anna. Yeah. X is any real number, then the largest integer which does not exceed x is called integral part of x. It will denoted by step x. Step x is n lesser than or equal to, printing mistake here, lesser than or equal to x less than n plus 1, where n is an integer. This is the definition. Okay. Yeah. Some examples are given. But note is very important. I will explain what is the meaning of that again. Okay. Yeah, listen. Any real number x, is equal to its integral part plus a fractional part. Any x can be written in this form, provided this is called fractional part of x should be positive, Nana. Where this is called fractional part of x. Fractional part of x. And also very important also, Nana. Not also, very also. Fractional part of x should be belongs to closed 0 to open 1. What is the meaning of that? Fractional part of x may be 0 or 0.1 or 0.2, 0. Something up to 0.99999. But this value never an integer. This value never equal 1 point something, or this value never equal to more than 1, I can say. So what is the meaning of that? Fractional part of x is defined as fractional part of x whose value is defined as closer 0 to 1. I will explain and clearly through example. Somebody will ask, what is the if x equal to 2.314, then what is step x and what is fraction part of? They will ask. So both will write. I will write here clearly. Step x equal to 2 only. Fractional part of x equal what, Nana? 0.314. Don't confuse. Okay, one more example. Okay, no, this is not right. One more example. If example I can say x is equal to 3, then step x equal to 3 only. What is the fractional part of x? Not there, no, 0. 3.0 I can write. 3 means 3.0 I can write. That's the fractional part of x equal to 0 only. Example 3. Very important. Example 3. If x equal to minus 3.32 given, then what is step x? What is fractional part of x? Anybody can say the answer for this? Okay. Now, interesting one. Okay. Actually, x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 0.321. I can call it is integral part, but I can't call this a fractional part. What is my definition? Fractional part should be positive, Nana. That's from 0 to 1 only. But this is not from 0 to 1. How can you call this a fractional part? How can you call this a fractional part? How can you call this integral part? Wrong, no? So I can't say the fractional part equal to minus 3 and integral part, integral part is equal to minus 3 and fractional part equal to minus 0.3. Wrong. Why it is wrong means by the definition, default by the definition, fractional part of x should be positive. That is from closer 0 to 1. But here the value is not from close 0 to 1. That's why fractional part can't said to be minus 0.32. But how to find fractional part and integral part? Just like logarithm characteristic and multiplies there, no? They are not in standard form. You can convert it to standard form. So listen all of you. Interesting step. Listen. So minus 3 plus minus 0.32. Actually, this is not called a fraction part because fraction part should be positive. That's why what I am fraction part should be non-negative, not positive, because it may be also 0 also. No. What we should do? We want to make this is non-negative. We want to make this is non-negative without changing the value of x. That's why added 1 and subtracted 1. Nothing happened to the value of the fraction. Just added 1, subtracted 1. Added 1 and subtracted 1. Observe here. Interesting result will get done. So what about minus 3 with minus 1, minus 4. Plus c. Plus 1 means 1.0000. You need to subtract 0.32. Here 8 nana. Here 9 minus 3, 6 I think. Okay. 0.68. Now my x is equal to, not yours, Nana, this is my x. My x is equal to, 1 minute. Yeah, what I can say, my x equal to minus 4 plus 0.68. Now I can say, step x equal to minus 4. Now I can say fractional part of x equal to 0.68. Very important concept. I hope you people understood this. So this is important, Nana. This step is important. Adding 1 and subtracting 1. Somebody will ask, why you can't add 2 and subtract 2? What is the use? Add 2, subtract 2, 2 point something, 1.68 you will get. 1.68 is still not said to be the fractional part, because fractional part should be from closer to 0 to 1 only. That's why you need to add 1 and subtract 1. Yeah, time is completing. One more problem I want to give. Oh, no. Close. Next, if x equal to minus 4.81, then you should tell answer. Is not in standard form. X equal minus 4 plus minus 0.81. So x equal minus 4 plus minus 0.81. One should add, one should subtract to make into perfect standard form. Minus 5 plus 1.00 and 0.81 should subtract. This is 9. Here 9, 1, 0.19. Now I can say that step x equal to minus 5 and fractional part of x equal to 0.19.